Flowers can look quite different, but they all have the same parts. Petals, a carpel, the female part of the flower, where seeds are made, and pollen, which is made by the stamen, the male part of the flower. Can you see the stamen and pollen on these flowers? In summer, flowers make pollen ready to be moved from one to another. A plant can't make a seed unless it first gets pollen from another flower of the same sort. This process is called pollination. Have you ever noticed there are lots of insects and bees around during the summer? They perform a very important job in the pollination process of some flowers. Insects are attracted to flowers because of their bright colors and lovely scent. When they land on a flower, they collect the pollen, then transfer it to another. This is what happens inside a flower. The bee rubs pollen onto itself. Then it takes it to another flower. Some pollen gets rubbed off onto the second flower, and more gets collected. But not all plants use insects for pollination. This tree uses wind to move its pollen from one flower to another. The flowers look different. They are made so that pollen will shake out of them as the wind blows. If we slow down the shake, you can see the thousands and thousands of grains of pollen that are released. Flowers that are pollinated by the wind aren't usually brightly colored because they don't need to attract insects. Pollen gets moved around by wind or insects so that plants can make seeds.